I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to talk you through the Laura Ashley ribbed ball wooden curtain pole range. The ribbed ball curtain pole range is a painted range within the Laura Ashley portfolio, available in a 35mm diameter. It's ideal for classic, traditional and contemporary homes and really complements the fabrics and wallpapers within the Laura Ashley collection. It's also been designed to complement some of the ready-made curtains which are available on our website. I'll just talk you through the colours and show you those in more detail so that you can sort of see them close up. So this is the midnight and the dark steel. Then we have the dark steel and the dark duck egg. Then we have the cotton, which is a beautiful white, and the pale dove grey, which is absolutely stunning grey colour. And then we have the steel. So we've got pale dove grey on the top and steel on the bottom. The paint finish is a beautiful sort of satin matte finish. It isn't gloss at all, it's really contemporary, lovely paint finish. Please get in touch if we can arrange for any samples, any ring samples to be sent out if you would like to see the colour prior to purchase. The 35mm curtain poles are available in three lengths, 180cm, a 240 and a 360. The 240 and 360 will come in two pieces with a joining piece, and you will get a centre bracket on those pole lengths to support the join. The poles can be cut to size with a junior hacksaw at home, or we do offer the cut to size service on our website, and please note the pole length specified excludes the finials. The finial on this curtain pole is 10cm, and the bracket will project the curtain pole 10cm away from the wall, and the bracket projection is 60mm in height, 6cm in height. So if you are restricted for space, please do check the dimensions prior to purchase. The full technical drawings are on our website that detail these dimensions. The curtain poles come as a complete set. So with the poles, the brackets, the finials and rings, you get 10 rings for every 10cm of pole. So 18 with the 180 pole, 24 with the 240 and 36 with the 360. And also a fixings pack, so you have everything to install your curtain pole. The fixings supplied are for solid walls, so if you are drilling into plasterboard, please use specific plasterboard fixings. These curtain poles are ideal for pencil pleat curtains, so please do view the Laura Ashley pencil pleat portfolio on our website. Or if you prefer a sort of a more traditional look and you prefer a double or triple pinch pleat, these poles will be ideal for those as well. So please see our website for our fabric collection, including beautiful fabrics from Laura Ashley that can be made into beautiful curtains for you. To complete the look, we also offer a beautiful range of stunning tie backs on our website. So this is the beautiful Lorraine tie back with a gorgeous clear faceted ball in the middle here, really reflecting the light, really beautiful in a range of colours. We also have the stunning Lorraine tie back, again with the sort of the glass detail and the chrome little detail as well. And we've got the classic rope tie back that is a bestseller. It does the job and it's just simple and elegant and is a really popular choice. We also offer some curtain tie back hooks as well, so you can really pull the whole look together. Please get in touch if you'd like any design ideas or inspiration, or would like any help pulling a look together, and we'd be delighted to help. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, or please call us on 01590 615 775. We also offer the full Laura Ashley paint collection on our website, which has a beautiful range of pastel tones through to some richer hues and some really warm neutrals through to the cooler greys. And we sell the paint sample pots on the website as well, and we would recommend that you test any paint prior to purchase. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our website to be kept up to date with new product news and information, and thank you very much for watching.